Hi there, this is Shelly from the Print Mint. I wanted to show you a little bit about stamping into clay today. First of all, we just started selling stamps that are especially designed for stamping in clay. They have a little more relief. They're engraved a little bit deeper on the rubber so that they're better for stamping and giving a good impression in clay. You can order these through our website. It's theprintmint.etsy.com, and there'll also be a link underneath the description. You can submit your own logo and we can make a stamp out of it for you. So we found that there's two ways of stamping into clay. You want to roll out your clay really smooth so that you can get an even impression. Sometimes I'm not good at that, but we'll try this. And then you can just press in and do it firmly on all sides. Okay, and that looks pretty good. Sometimes if there are ridges around the edge, I will just get my finger a little bit wet and then just go around there and smooth it out. Also, if you're not getting a very clear impression, you can kind of slam it down like that. And sometimes it will do better. One of the things that I really love about the stamps is that you can use them on clay, and then when you're done, if you use a toothbrush and clean it out really well, and then you can use it on a regular ink pad, and you can use it for like marketing purposes or tags for things, stamp it on paper. So I really like that. There's lots of things that you can do with clay and rubber stamps. This is a beautiful example where they've stamped and used the glaze down in the grooves, and it's turned out really nice once it's fired. I'm sure there's a lot of other things that you can do. I know that there are special ceramic stamp pads that come with an underglaze in them that you can use. We also have some good videos that I will include in the description in the bottom, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.